In this tutorial we are going to create this landing page effect. Select desktop. Change background color to black. Let's create interesting background. Go to Effects, select Layer Blur, set it to 400 and set its opacity to 30%. Add columns grid. Grids make it easier for designers to collaborate on designs by providing a plan for where to place elements. Add logo to the web and place it with help of grids. Let's create menu bar using Line Tool. Let's add text in web page. Change to light. Move all text layer and change its opacity to 0%. Make duplicate of desktop 1. Bring all text layers to the page and set its opacity to 100%. Make duplicate. Drag and drop the images. Let's align this images with help of layout grid. Group these images and set its opacity to 0%. Drag and drop the images. Let's align this images with help of layout grid. Group these images and set its opacity to 0%. Follow this same step with the last images. Make duplicate of desktop. Change opacity of this group to 100% and slightly move this group. Change opacity of this group. Change opacity of this group to 100% and slightly move this group. Make duplicate of desktop. Change opacity of this group to 100%. Change opacity of this group. And slightly move this group. Switch to prototype and follow interaction details. Expand desktop 3 and connect text layers. Make sure you set same interaction details for all text layers. Let's make some final changes in design. Select this text layers and set opacity to 30%. Choose italic. Select this text layers and set opacity to 30%. Choose italic. Follow same step with last frame. Finally, our design part is over. It's time to check our final output. Let's click on play button.